Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back. So today I'm back with another video. Look at this guys, there are so many birds today. A group of pigeons, and today's sky is looking so much amazing. Like look at this. And the birds were flying a few moments ago, but now they all got sad. There are so many birds which are flying like that. That here are some groups more are coming. They all were flying a few moments ago, but now they all are gone. They all are sitting right now. I tried to capture it, but I missed it.